Small brad nail holes in baseboards above carpet can be fixed quickly so the paint looks factory new. Start by removing loose debris with a small, stiff brush or a toothpick so the filler bonds well. Choose a high-quality water-based wood filler if the baseboard will be repainted immediately, or a solvent-based filler for deeper dents that need longer working time. Apply the filler with a small, flexible putty knife or a finger for tiny holes, pressing firmly to eliminate air pockets and leaving a slight overfill so you can sand to flush. Let the filler dry fully according to the product directions. Then sand with a fine grit sanding sponge or paper until the surface is smooth and matches the surrounding profile. For painted or delicate profiles, you can sand by hand using light, even strokes to avoid rounding edges. Wipe the area with a damp cloth or tack cloth to remove dust and allow a minute to dry, then prime any bare filler or exposed wood with a stain-blocking primer to ensure uniform top-coat sheen and adhesion. When painting above carpet, use a slim piece of Painter S tape pressed tight against the carpet edge or an angled sash brush and steady hand to avoid stray paint on fibers. Common mistakes are overfilling and then leaving a bump that shows after painting, so sand flush and check the profile before priming. Another frequent issue is using a filler that shrinks or cracks. Choose a flexible, paintable wood filler and allow complete cure time to prevent rework. A third concern is getting paint on the carpet. Protect the carpet edge with Painter S tape or a thin cardboard shield and use short, controlled brush strokes. And if paint lands on fibers, blot immediately with a damp cloth before it dries. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors by category and project type so you can compare options for baseboard and trim work and get ideas for scope and pricing. We also connect contractors with homeowners looking for that work and host an active discussion community where we and other users share practical tips, product experiences, and step-by-step advice.